Welcome, I'm Paul Ross, the founder and CEO of the Dot Technologies. Today we are very excited to share with you our first ever truly wireless earbuds, the Dot Neo Ultra Pro Max. So our engineers here at Dot Technologies worked very hard to make this product possible. Now let's have a look.
Introducing the Dot Neo Ultra Pro Max with glazing black diamond style case. Crystal clear calling experience with Pro XT-CD microphone. A whopping 12mm dynamic driver with extra bass and water resistance up to 10 meter. Enjoy the authenticity of pure music. Dot Audio.
You have already seen how beautiful and great our product is. So now let me add a very interesting fact here. All the photos you have seen of the product is taken on a mobile device. Why? Because our budget is very low. We spend most of our budgets towards the research and development of the product. So that's why we had a very limited amount of money for photography and media. So our media team, which is a one-man team for sure, took all these photos using a mobile device. Now let's see how our media team did that. Let's go. What's up everybody, welcome to Editxor. I really hope you are having a very productive day. In this video I tried to do a little bit different with the intro and I really hope you like the intro. So if you do, please drop a like, that will be much appreciated. And all the photos you have seen in the intro are taken on a mobile device. So in this video I will show you how you can take such low-key product photographs using your mobile device and a single light source. Without wasting further your time, let's get started. So this is our lighting setup, which is pretty simple. On the right side you can see the ring light. On the back side there is a white sheet of paper, and on the left side it's a white wall of my room, and on the table you can see the earbuds laying on a black cloth. So now let me show you. If I cover the ring light with a white cloth, you can see the light is more diffused and it's giving a very soft look. This is the close-up look. You can see the light is very soft and it is giving a very diffused light. On contrast to that, if I remove the cloth from the ring light, you can see the light is very harsh, and we don't want this type of lighting. We want soft and diffused lighting for this kind of photo shoot. For all the photos, I use my iPhone 11's native camera app. You can use any app you want, and for clicking this photo, I tapped on the subject, which is the earbuds case, and just decrease the exposure. One thing is very important to keep in mind while taking this kind of low-key photographs is, while you are decreasing the exposure, make sure the blacks are not getting crashed. What I mean here, look at the places where it's completely black, and while you are decreasing the exposure, please try to retain some texture at the complete black areas. If it's completely black and you can't see any texture there, it means the blacks are getting crashed. So make sure your blacks are not getting crashed while taking the photograph. Now let's move on. This is our second setup. As you can see, I used a black plywood underneath the earbud, and I also use some of the extra elements in the photo. As you can see, there is a spec and a mobile device, which will go hand in hand with our daily life accessories, which is obviously our earbud itself. Lastly, I arranged them in such a way that all these elements stays on these three parallel symmetrical lines. For this photo, lighting and everything was exactly the same. I just sprayed some water on the earbuds and took some photos. And for macro shots, I use this 250 rupees macro clip lens for my mobile, and I bought this around 4 to 5 years ago, and it gives pretty good results. You can see by yourself. For this shot, I moved the light on the top of the product and it was giving some top-down lighting, and here's how I took the photo. This is our last photo. I forgot to capture the behind the scenes for this one, so sorry for that. I just grabbed some portion of the cloth and pulled it towards the lens, so it was giving some blur, and I just tapped on the case of the earbud and took the photo. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video. So if you really feel you got some valuable information from this video, consider subscribing and drop a like and comment down below what is your favorite photo among all the photos I have shown you. So in this way, the YouTube algorithm will push this video to as many people as possible. So you can also DM me on my Instagram at Editxor007. If you have any queries or any suggestions, feel free to DM me. I reply everyone. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, stay creative, stay safe, peace.